Hey everyone, quick video just talking about why you should 3D print or get a low profile drip tray for your Gaggia Classic Pro. So here's the stock drip tray, and I have a fairly short cup here, which is the not neutral Vero. And no matter what scale I use, here's the thinnest scale I have, which is the GDealer scale, and I can barely fit my cup under, and that's with the bottomless portafilter. If I put in Acaia Lunar, which is a little bit thicker, I definitely can't fit anything there. And then if I have a thicker scale like the Timemore Black Mirror, definitely not possible. So what I suggest is you replace this guy with a low-profile 3D printed drip tray, which we will do right now. So now that you have a low-profile drip tray, you can now use any scale pretty much. I'm going to put the Lunar on, for example. I can put on the not neutral Vero, fine. I can use the GDealer, which is even thinner. I can even use the really thick Timemore Black Mirror and still manage to fit a cup underneath. So that's really nice. And this is with the bottomless spout, no spouts portafilter. Even with a spouted portafilter, like the stock one that you get, you are able to fit your cups underneath if you just angle in when you put your cup underneath your scale. And I think I might even be able to do that with this really thick guy here, like so. So totally possible, and you can even weigh. So that is kind of the first recommended upgrade I would get. You don't even need to get the extended tube down here, but definitely recommended. The next thing I would do is the Mr. Shade's 9-bar OPV upgrade, but otherwise, the drip tray is what really helps with your brewing experience. If you get a low profile one or you 3D print your own, you're able to fit your scales, you're able to fit larger and flatter cups. And this is just a convenience thing that I think every Gaggia Classic Pro owner should do. For a real quick thickness comparison, 3D printed on the right, stock on the left. And it fits in there. What you do have to keep in mind with the 3D printed stuff is because it's a smaller drip tray, you have to empty out your water a lot more, dirty water a lot sooner, and then also hot water does get in here. So if you don't do a very good print, your 3D printed tray can deform a little. But that's not really an issue because you're not drinking any of the water that's going to touch here, and also in my experience, the water isn't that hot, or the discharged stuff from your OPV isn't that hot. So hopefully this helped, and good luck brewing with the Gaggia Classic Pro. We'll be talking about this machine a bit more as time goes on.